Ooh, what is going on today, everyone? Well, today we are up here in the north of Colorado. We're gonna be doing some fishing. I'm gonna be trying to catch anything inside of this crazy wind today. I am on the dam structure right now, and let's just say it's just a little too windy, so I'm gonna go find somewhere a little bit more quiet to fish. So yeah, I guess I just see you there. All right, I'm giving in. Put on the spinner. Fish. That took a while for it to come hit. That's a pretty nice sized trout. That's a nice one. Yep, that's a nice sized trout. That's a good one. Wow. It hit the spinnerbait. Solid rainbow right there. Let's take a picture and then we'll throw them back. We gotta be quick about it. Alright, that's my thumbnail picture. You know, fishing being tough right now, I know that the walleye bite should be starting up really soon, but really hard to get those guys on camera during midday. So I'll just catch what I can for you guys. And if it's gonna be big old trout like this, so be it. There's one. Hit it right there. That's almost in already. That's another decent sized one. It's not giant like the other one. The other one was pretty big. Someone caught this one before when he got away. It has a, yeah, someone else's jig in the back of his throat. But I'm not gonna kill it, so we're gonna let him go. Oh, the fishing today has been rough. You see me doing this just to catch trout? Yep, it's been a rough day. But hey, better than getting skunked, so I'll see if I could catch like at least one more for you guys before I start switching it up a little bit and seeing if I could catch something else, maybe a bass. lot of, I think I hooked something. Yeah, I was gonna say this. Oh, caught a crayfish. What the heck? How did I catch you? Get back in there. Well, time to put on the atomic. No bobber. I'm just gonna let it sink slowly to the bottom and just slowly work it. Something hit it. Oh, lost it that time. Oh, there it is. They're like 3 or 4 different times. Where's those big ones at? They got smaller and smaller. Let's let you go. Okay. Here's one. Bobber went down. Letting it float out there. I mean, catching anything in this wind, it's a win. There it is. That was a lot of fight. Oh, there he goes. All right, I switched back over to spinner. I'm gonna see if I can catch at least 2 more fish for you guys, and I'm gonna call it. You know, when the water is just starting to open up like this, the first 2 fish that I usually target is walleye and trout. Because around this time of the year, they stock a lot of trout in our reservoirs. So, oh, I just got hit like 3 times. So it makes it a little bit easier for you to catch something. And usually the walleye starts spawning around this time of the year too. So There it is. It hit it like 4 or 5 times. Oh, there's a nice size one. Oh, that's a nice size one. Yep, he hit it like 4 or 5 times. Barely got him. Let's let him go. There it is. I felt it hit like 4 times. That's a good bite. You gotta love the way how they hit the spinner though. The inline spinners. They're stalker trout, but when they hit the spinners, they hit it really aggressive. Oh, there he goes. There it is. Wow, it got slow with the atomic, switched right back over to the spinner, and it's just every other cast. There it is. Yep, you could tell these are stalkers. They're cut bows. They have that orange underneath them. Ooh, it's been a rough day today trying to catch fish. This wind is not cooperating at all, and it's just making it 3 times harder than it needs to be. But yeah, well, we did manage to catch a few trout for you guys. But yes, I know everyone's getting sick and tired of trout videos. I will be looking for other species very soon. But yeah, these are just a little filler episodes for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.